everyone, thanks so much for stopping by Joe's Gaming and Electronics. My name is Matt. Today I'm going to be walking you through the steps on how you can send your electronics into us for repair. Starting on our website, JoesGE.com. If you're on desktop, you want to go up to the top left corner where it says repair services, just click there. If you're on mobile, you just go to the top left corner, you click those lines, it'll bring up a little menu on the side, you click repair services, and then we'll both be on the same page. Now that we're on this page, you do see 5 steps in front of you just as to how to send your headphones into us for repair. That first step has a nice big red button for the repair catalog. You're going to want to fill that out here in a minute. The second step, you're just going to want to ship your headphones into us. We do offer free shipping labels for people within the US. If you're outside the US, you are going to need to provide your own shipping, and then there is going to be a return shipping charge of around $15, and we're not responsible for any taxes, fees, or import duties that your government may charge if you're receiving this item outside the US. The labels that we will be sending out to you are specific based off the weight of the item that you're going to be shipping in, so you just want to make sure that you're cognizant of the weight shown on that label. All of our labels are going to go through USPS, so you just want to make sure you drop them at your local post office, and we do recommend having them scan the package in front of you and give you that confirmation receipt just so you have the tracking number and you're positive it's been scanned in and it's gotten shipped out. Next, we'll notify you once we receive your package just via text and email, and then we'll be working on that within a few days. A technician will be in contact with you. We'll get you an exact repair cost before we do any repairs, before you have to pay anything. You just confirm that cost with us, and once we receive your confirmation, we'll go ahead and get those repairs started within a couple business days, and then we'll send a checkout link out to you via email. You can pay that with card, PayPal, or Apple Pay. When we do send out that confirmation, if you decide that that cost is going to be too much for you, you can just let us know that you want them shipped back to us, and we'll ship your electronics back to you for free. Once we've received payment, we will ship your items back out within 24 business hours. The whole time for this repair is usually going to be about 1 to 2 weeks from the date you ship your items out till the date you get them back. Now, before you get started with that repair catalog, what we would recommend is that you just make sure you're either using Google Chrome or Apple Safari. So if you are using Internet Explorer or maybe Mozilla Firefox and you're having issues with it, just try switching over to a different internet browser. With that all said, now we can go ahead and fill out that repair catalog. You can just click that bright red button on the first step. Right off the bat, you're going to get presented with a few options for what electronics you want to get sent in to us. You can just select your items that you're going to be sending in. In this case, we're going to go with the headphones. Then you'll be brought to what brand you would like to get fixed. In this case, it's going to be Beats by Dre. So we select Beats by Dre. Then we'll go ahead and select the model of the headphones you're going to be sending in to us. In this case, we're going to go with those Studio 2 wireless headphones. Then you're going to be presented with a few kind of general options for what is wrong with the headphones. If you're not 100% sure what category your repair is going to fall under, that's totally fine. You can just select the issue that you think is going to be right, and we'll give you an exact diagnosis once we receive your items. Once you've selected that repair, you just want to go ahead and click that View Estimate button. Then you're going to be presented with an estimate for the repair that you selected on the item that you selected. And if you do want to add more items to this, you can go ahead and click that Add Items button. It'll bring you right back to the things that we do repair. This is important because if you do decide that you're going to send in multiple items, you want to select all of those because we will give you a shipping label generated based on what items you're going to be shipping into us. Likewise, if you do want to add more issues to the same set of headphones, you can click that Add Issues button. Once you've selected all of the items and issues that you do need repaired, you can go ahead and click that Next button. You'll be presented with a form that you got to fill out, just starting with your email address. You got to enter that twice. Then you go ahead and put your name, your phone number, and your address in there. This is the information we're going to be using to process your order and get your items shipped back to. At this point, we'd recommend going back and just checking your email address, phone, name, and your shipping address, just to make sure that all that info is indeed correct. Then you're going to go ahead and just check that checkbox at the bottom of the page. A nice red button is going to show up just saying that you want to get your free USPS shipping label. You just click that button, and you're going to be taken to a page with Joe on it, giving you a nice golf clap there saying nicely done, and some more information just regarding the exact repair process. There is a link there to go back to those 5 steps if you want to read through those and see how it all works again. At this point, we have also sent you an email that contains a PDF copy of your shipping label that you can just print out and put on your package to get your items sent in to us. That email is also going to contain a link to your tracking information so you can track that package as it's getting delivered to us. It'll also have some links out to some videos that show you how to package your electronics. If you're not seeing that email in your inbox, you just want to make sure you check your junk or spam folder as well, because sometimes it does get kicked over there. If you do have any other questions for us at any point, definitely feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, or drop us an email. We're here to help out with any questions you may have. Thank you so much for entrusting us with the repairs of the electronics that you love most, and we hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.